in last few lectures, we have been normalizing our products and also product images. In this one, we'll be specifying type for our product. Remember, we are working now with a Shopify product, so with the data structure we are fetching from the GraphQL, from our API server, and we are transforming it into our own product, okay? So our own product will not have all of the properties, and some of the properties are a little bit changed. So they have a different name, for example. Then we have also, for example, images, which were before edges, and so on. Okay, so we want to specify our own type, basically this product, what we are returning here from this normalized product function. So instead of the any, I would like to get here my own structure, which will be product. All right, let's do it. Let's go to our folder structure, and we will create these new types, actually not in a specific Shopify folder, but this will be highly reusable also for a different frameworks, different providers. So in the framework folder, I will create a new folder, okay? So on the same, under the framework, let's right click here and let's create here a new folder, which we'll call common, okay? So common folder, which will be folder for our common functionality, which will be sharing amongst the other frameworks. Okay, in a common folder, I'll create a new folder. I will call it types. Here will be types definitions for other, not just a product, but other data types. Okay, so under the types, let's create here new file and let's call it product.ts. Okay, now in a product.ts, we'll be specifying our own product. Okay, so right here, export interface, call it product. All right, and we'll be specifying every product will have an ID of type string. We'll have a name of type string. Then we'll have a description of type string. Then we have a Slack path, Slack of type string. Then we have a path of type string. Then we'll have images. Images will be array of a product images type. So up here, I will export a new interface, export interface product image, and each product image for now I will specify will have a URL, which will be string, and also alt, which will be string. And let's say alt will be optional, so we'll write a question mark alt will be optional parameter. Okay, and the images, therefore, I can define here is the array of a product images. So I'll write square brackets for denoting an array here. Okay, so we have now our two new types. Basically, we just need a product, and we can specify what we will be getting from our normalize. Okay, so let's go back to our normalize file here, and we can import here our new product. Okay, so under a schema, let's import here product, import curly brackets product from, we need to go now very outside of this folder, so // we need to go into the common folder, so /common/types/ product. Okay, that's a long path. We'll be changing these paths very soon. Don't worry, we'll be making it much nicer. Okay, we have a product, so now what we can do, we can, instead of returning any, we can specify here I am returning the product, and everything is happy here because my product is a product. It's they are sharing the properties with this interface. All right, so we are defining our product. Perfect, this is working. Now we can go to our get all products, so where we are fetching our data, and we can specify here we are returning promise of our products. Okay, so also here I will import a product. So let's write here import product from // common types product, and we'll specify here we are returning from here promise of the product. This will be promise of what? Of a product array, like this, and everything should just work fine. Okay, and now we know straight away the product is the type of a product, and the product specifying these properties, I will be now will be able to access them through my application. So when I will go, for example, to my index.tsx file for my pages, get all products, I can see here I'm getting here products array, and also here I will get a products array. So when I will access the single product, for example, products on the index of a 0, I can access the description, ID, images, and all of this is available to me. All right, amazing. So working. Okay, this by the way, get all products here. It's not a very nice thing what we are doing here, so we should completely remove it because we are already fetching here. So yeah, let's remove it right now. Okay, let's save it. Let's remove these empty lines here. Amazing. Let's save everything. Let's go back to our browser. Let's verify everything is working. Everything is working. And let's continue next lecture. We'll be doing huge structural changes. So guys, see you there.